YouTube. I'm at the shop with my boy. He's got a AWE exhaust. I'm about to go in today. Got an M4 2017. Now he only got VRS downpipe, same as me. But there's literally no exhaust on here. That shit mad loud. About to get these installed right now. I want to see how it's gonna sound after. The way this sounds right now, it sounds like it's tuned. Like you can hear the turbo, loud pops. There's really nothing connected. So it's supposed to be a AWE catback exhaust, but this is really like a axle back. Everything getting put together right now. Let's go YouTube. Drugs on my seat back. We about to, well, right now I just got off of work. I'm about to go home right quick. I'm gonna come back out later. About to be installing RK tune intakes on my man's M4. Just got it today, so about to go to the shop to get that installed too. We're gonna see how that sounds. Alright, YouTube, we at the shop now. Get the blue and blue. That's it. Going in right now. I'll update y'all in a little bit. Alright, so we still here. Got one side in. Still difficulties. Got this custom work, but almost done. Alright, so this gotta come off. You gotta cut like right here. And I gotta get cut so that and then take a fit flush. But after this, we're gonna get some sound clips.
Tell you mind the price, bro?
First startup.
Got ribbon high.
Like 3-4.
Yours was quiet, was somewhat quiet until you drove it.
Gotta break it in. Yeah, it's the car too loud. Do it. Bring it up to 3-4. 3.5. Keep doing 3-4. You gotta break it in. work. This whole thing.
People that must have donated, boy, but
Go for YouTube, bro.
yeah, for YouTube. Damn.
Shit. Yeah, I might do more of these. For Ramadan. Supposed to been turned on. Alright. Now y'all hear that pop? I don't know if y'all heard that, but that shit crazy. But yeah, that's what we doing today. On the way to the shop right now. I seen another still in the market too. I've been thinking about it. I don't know. I definitely gonna like that next smart if I get it. Usually when I say I'm thinking about something or I'm looking at something, I end up always going to get it. But I don't know. This one is definitely gonna be crazy. Like if I do that mod, the car is kind of gonna be complete. Alright, if I do that, it's gonna be tough for real. Popped again. I also never gave y'all another POV after the downpipe's been on. And you know how that is, like once they install, you drive a little bit, and a little break-in period, they kind of broken in a little bit more, so it sounded way better now. Especially we on these side blocks, so you're hearing like everything's closing in. Feel good outside though. It's a chill day. So I'm gonna get some content today too. If you haven't already, follow me. Yeah, if you haven't already, follow me on IG and TikTok. I'll be posting reels and stuff. I'll be active on there. I gotta get more active on YouTube. Definitely let me know if I should be doing these POV drives. I'll do them more often. Day in the life videos. I could do way more. For the most part, I'll be outside chilling for the most part. I'll just be chilling for real. But if y'all like these type of videos, I'll do them more often. Do some link ups and stuff. I usually just do videos and I'm gonna get parts and install them, but I'm gonna try to do something more. I gotta get some gas too, 32 miles. I'm about to go do that right now too. After I stop at the shop. My guy right here. That's the toughest GLC right here. GLC 43 on backs. You don't even know. About to show y'all right now. Nah, I think it's mad clean. I think it's sitting. Let me know. Should I bag the X3? If y'all say yes, I'll do it right now. I'm about to show y'all. About to chill out here for a little bit. If y'all tell me yes to bagging the X3, I'll do it right now. They working right now. It's tough. It's definitely the cleanest one. Like I said, spam in the comments if I should bag the X3, I'll do it.